The local economic effects of the recent pandemic, coupled with the mass abandonment of large retail space due to its sheer scale and larger economic trends, have left shells of big buildings across America. Reappropriating big box stores provokes the need to rethink the anchor organization beyond the prototypical methods of retail planning and create a new activity center. This thesis sets forth a community membership organization made up of residents within the three surrounding municipalities that pairs with the new system for the aggregation of small to mid-scale business entities as a startup incubator. Latent projects from representatives of the surrounding communities, as well as enterprising individuals, have the opportunity to propose a small business venture that then gets voted on by the organization based on its interest and benefit to the community. A system of architectural components establishes a prideful aesthetic appeal and a bundle of service infrastructures as a framework for engagement and spatial adjacencies. This is where each company is able to build its organization space and move into the box. The community membership organization is then able to establish high and low tech platforms to gather public input and encourage richer community engagement throughout the three key neighborhoods. This creates a hacking system for local residents to investigate other integrative social projects, and the organization then synthesizes these interests to make informed output decisions. These decisions can be implemented through whatever means necessary, but have the opportunity to utilize the systematized component architecture of the workspace modules. Furthermore, this situation provides access to a social hack where the results are unpredictable and ever-changing. To aid in the collaborative placemaking, termed as hacking, the service infrastructures provide a decentralized network for the community to infill collective civic resources and amenity common spaces. Beyond the modular workspace panel system that provides financial viability and independence for the organization, the physical design aspect of the project begins to materialize through a bundle of service infrastructures. We begin to see all of these aspects needed to support such a space populate the interior. Wi-Fi and internet access overhead, wiring and power cables strung down from the ceiling, and universal climate control systems dispersed throughout, as well as various plumbing hookup locations below. All of these are focused around a series of courtyards and roof perforations that act as light wells, bringing natural light into an otherwise impenetrable shell. This reuse design also includes activity hubs for workers and people in the community to gather, providing focal points for gathering and hacking of these interstitial spaces. This thesis looks at a building typology that is so commonly disused and left abandoned that designers have developed many common ways to reuse them. However, I ask you to question these notions and look towards a better future. This is not the sole solution for all big boxes, but it suggests a new alternative that plays to the interest of the public and establishes a mode of operational values to oppose established retail norms and institute adaptive longevity.